Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a fascinating field that's transforming our world. At its core, AI refers to machines designed to think and learn like humans. Imagine a computer that can analyze data, recognize patterns, and make decisions, all without human intervention. So how does it work? Well, AI systems use algorithms, which are sets of rules or instructions, to process vast amounts of information. They learn from this data through a process called machine learning. Think of it like teaching a child. The more examples they see, the better they get at understanding and predicting outcomes. For instance, when you ask a voice assistant like Siri or Alexa a question, it processes your voice, understands the context, and provides an answer based on its training. Now, let's look at some real-life examples. Voice assistants are just the tip of the iceberg. Have you ever noticed how Netflix seems to know exactly what you want to watch next? That's AI at work. It analyzes your viewing habits and suggests shows and movies tailored just for you. Then there's self-driving cars. These vehicles use AI to interpret data from sensors and cameras, allowing them to navigate roads, avoid obstacles, and make real-time decisions. It's like having a co-pilot that never gets tired or distracted. AI is also making waves in healthcare, helping doctors diagnose diseases faster and more accurately by analyzing medical images. In finance, it detects fraudulent transactions by recognizing unusual patterns in spending behavior. As we embrace AI, it's essential to think about its implications. While it offers incredible benefits, it also raises questions about privacy, job displacement, and ethical considerations. In summary, AI is a powerful tool that mimics human intelligence, learns from data, and is already integrated into many aspects of our daily lives. So, what do you think AI will take us